Right, let's try a second question. Remember, today's questions is about comparison. Right, let's read the question. Jason bought a table at $110 in IKEA. This price was 10% more than the usual price at Giant. How much is the same table at Giant? So we are comparing the price of the table in IKEA to the price of table in Giant. Right? So this, what do you think this refers to? This refers to the $110 of the table in IKEA. Right? So now let's look at this statement again. This price was 10% more than the usual price at Giant, which means which one, the table, in which supermarket the table cost more. Actually, at IKEA, it costs more, right? So it costs how much more? 10% more. So imagine if I were to start with Giant, how many percent do you think Giant is? So Giant's price is actually 100%. Right? Now, if Giant's price is 100% and IKEA's price is 10% more than the usual price at Giant, how many percent do you think IKEA has? Right, so IKEA actually has 110%. Okay, so now take a good look. What other clues should we include? Right, we have this $110. Where should we put $110? Together with the IKEA, right? So let's label it $110. Okay, next, how much is the same table at Giant? So which means I should put the question mark here to find the amount, the cost of the table at Giant, right? So now let's look at the model. Where is the clue? We must find how many percent represent what amount, right? There it is, 110% represent $110. So then we must find 1%. So 1% is actually equals to 110 divided by 110, which is 1. So finally, because we want to find how much is the same table at Giant, and Giant is 100%, so let's find what is 100%. So 100% is 1 times 100. Therefore, the price of the table is actually $100.